TIPRA Motha supremo Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma cast his vote on Sunday afternoon at the Mandai Abhiram Mukumu Senior Basic School. He was seen standing in queue alongside local citizens, waiting his turn to participate in the democratic process. Voting for the 28 elective seats of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council commenced at 7 o'clock am on Sunday on April 12. Polling took place across 1,257 polling stations characterized by significant early participation. Large queues were observed before polls opened with a notably high turnout among female and elderly voters. While the election was largely peaceful, localized tensions were reported between TIPRA Motha and BJP supporters. Allegations of electoral malpractice, including vote rigging and targeted physical altercations, surfaced in certain areas. Despite these disruptions, the State Election Commission reported a robust final voter turnout of approximately 78%. TIPRA Motha supremo Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma cast his vote on Sunday afternoon at the Mandai Abhiram Mukumu Senior Basic School. Demonstrating a sense of civic equality, he joined the general public in line to exercise his franchise. Upon exiting the polling station, Pubagra was greeted by an enthusiastic crowd, sharing a moment of warm rapport for the local electorate.
First time first time obviously first time like nervous by mistake la alka jaga ko rejecting thanga kam tiro honita
first time first time
tam sasen jotoni na alka experience ngai mo to first time ba kha khayo jotono je kahama mono rothom sinta
kisa sai khana gare mane aro bayar phai je bubagra no naine phai mani da naki bodu na phai mani da
board kha tai plus bubagra be ma lai kha tale hampai mane kha ko sang kha ma lai
phungni simi da aro phai ba
to phungni simi to phai li ang 10 tan somoy phai
ke da ke bubagra no nai
ma lai thon chene
tini bo bahai nang ja khaje
balai no khusi ka hamna
ke nangaro boot duita pai khana ke bubak boot pai kha ke bubagra no naine bagi phayo ke gana no be bo bahai ma dong kha
ang sini simaya khai panse
nang sini mania ko no kya khuda
age no phanai ko abone chongmaya tai
tini je naine phai man bo bahai ba khau bo bahai ma dong kha
ang ba kha hamda ka
In an interview conducted while waiting in the line at the polling station, TIPRA Motha Chief Pradyot Kishore Debbarma addressed the media. Listen to his full statement here.
Voting is going on. People are queuing up. Let's see what happens. हमने भी कंप्लेन किया है और जहाँ में भी there is complaint, police should act and ensure that the आम जनता जो नोटा भी करना चाहता है उसको भी अधिकार मिलना चाहिए नोटा करने के लिए. Why only Motha or BJP or CPM? Everyone should have a free chance to vote. What is the voting percentage? I don't know. What is it now? 22. Till what time? Till 9. That's quite good. I think it will be high because Tripura always votes high. Tripura में हमेशा voting turnout is very high. Let's see what happens after 1 o'clock. It is also very hot. गर्मी भी बहुत है. So that's why. Let public decide. Let public decide. I will not say anything. All I want is no violence because Tripura में शांति रहना चाहिए.
After waiting in queue for over half an hour, Pubagra successfully cast his ballot at the Mandai polling station.
এখন কিছু না আমার বাইরেও তখন আরো
After exercising his franchise, the Maharaja appealed to the public to maintain peace and order, urging citizens to avoid confrontation and remain united. He further emphasized that TIPRA Motha remains committed to upholding democracy and securing the future of the next generation.
So after casting the vote, what will be your reaction?
Peace in Tripura, victory to democracy, and victory for our next generation.
Okay, sir. So what do you want to say regarding the security arrangement and the peace regarding this election?
Let the whole election day be over, and then I would like to make a comment on it. Let the entire process. I'm not for someone to celebrate too early and to praise too early or condemn too early. I don't know. You are the journalist. You would know better. আমার যে খবর আছে I'm directly telling the election commission, state election commission, and I'm also talking to the concerned authorities. I think people of Tripura are very intelligent. They know what is right, what is wrong for them.
And how is the overall situation as of now?
Let's see. I'm getting reports from everywhere. I'll comment about it once I get the entire scenario.
Till now it's peaceful.
No, in certain places there are certain problems. EVM, certain places, certain people are. So we are getting reports from everywhere. But I don't want to say something in front of the media and jump the gun. Let me get the entire report, then I will make a proper statement.
Any complaint logs from the
Few complaints I have personally also done, but I don't want to let the entire report come from across. But let's wait till evening because the beginning has been somewhat smooth. I would like to see that this entire process carries throughout the state.
Any message you want to give?
Don't fight with each other. We are a small state. Before we are BJP, CPM, TIPRA Motha, Congress, IPFT. We are first Indians. We are first Tiprasas. We are all Tiprasas. And in a small state, when we fight with each other, then we are copying all the wrong things that we have borrowed from West Bengal and Kerala. And I think that sort of culture should go. Parties may change, but the culture should also change along with this.
Abhiram Mukumu SB School.
Reported by Salome along with Simon and Malin from Mandai, Chini, Khorang.